Good morning. This is All India Radio Kohima. The morning news read by Jonas Yantan. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has asked students not to fear exams but celebrate them. He also asked parents not to pressurize kids but to let them enjoy exams. Engaging with students, parents and teachers at the first virtual edition of Pariksha Pe Charcha last evening, Modi shared his mantras to overcome stress and anxiety. He stressed that students and parents should not consider exams as the end of life and always try to do better in the next attempt. The Prime Minister asked teachers to guide students on time management. He also said a student should always try to attempt a difficult topic in the beginning and devote more time to it. He added that hard subjects and topics must be done in the morning before jumping onto easier topics because the mind is fresh and concentration is sharp. The Prime Minister asked students not to run from difficult subjects as anything can be accomplished with hard work. The Lodha Students' Union has appealed the State Power Department to ensure regular electricity supply during the ongoing High School Living Certificate and Higher Secondary School Living Certificate examinations. In a press release, the union cautioned that failing to respond positively towards the demand for regular supply of electricity in Wokha district during the examinations will cause the union to initiate its own course of action. Stating that thousands of candidates are preparing for their examination, it said irregular power outages will only hamper their sincere academic preparations. The union also urged telecom service providers to provide better network quality in Wokha district as the students need to communicate and use internet for their exam queries. To facilitate smooth flow of traffic during the upcoming 13th Open Naga Wrestling Championship 2021 to be held at Kohima Local Ground tomorrow, the Kohima Police has issued traffic regulations for the public. According to the advisory, all participants, officials and spectators coming to witness the event have been directed to park their vehicles at city centre near old MLA hostel compound. Entry of unauthorized vehicles inside the ground will be allowed only from Southern Gate. The route from Raza Point to the northern gate of local ground Kohima will be designated as no parking zone. Health Minister Dr. Harsh Vardhan reaffirmed the government's commitment to ensure that all people and communities have access to quality healthcare services where and when required without facing financial hardship and move towards building a fairer, healthier world. Dr. Vardhan was addressing WHO's Southeast Asia Regional Office yesterday on the occasion of World Health Day. He said a theme selected for this year, Building a Fairer and Healthier World for Everyone, could not have been more appropriate. Dr. Vardhan said, the past year has brought home to us the need to ensure universal access to healthcare services, spanning from preventive to curative for each and every citizen, irrespective of their socioeconomic status. On the occasion, WHO has issued a call to work together, collect reliable data, tackle inequities, and act beyond borders. Centre has allowed COVID-19 vaccination at public and private workplaces, having about 100 eligible beneficiaries from 11 April across states and union territories. In a letter to the Additional Chief Secretaries, Principal Secretaries and Health Secretaries of all states and union territories, Union Health Secretary Rajesh Bhushan said a substantial proportion of population aged 45 years and above is in the organized sector of the economy and is involved in formal occupation in government and private offices or manufacturing services. Bhushan said, with support of the state governments, the efforts have been to consistently make the vaccination drive more pragmatic and also more acceptable and purposeful to the beneficiaries. And as the number of COVID cases are on the rise again, we appeal to our listeners not to lower their guard, follow all precautions and all those above 45 years to get vaccinated without any hesitation. Stay safe and protected by following these 3 simple steps. Wear a face mask, focus on hand and face hygiene, and maintain social distancing. With that, we come to the end of the morning news. Have a nice day.